So what all do we offer at Archer Review? Let me show you. First, we have the Qbank. This is going to include both classic and NGN items, computer adaptive testing, and unlimited readiness assessments. You heard me right. If you've got practice questions remaining in your Qbank, you can do a readiness assessment. Now, our RN Qbank has just over 2,800 questions, and our PN Qbank just over 1,100. Each of these Qbanks comes with very detailed answer rationales, so you don't have to worry about figuring out why A was right but B was wrong, and no one can really tell you why. These Qbanks start at $59 for 30 days of access, and then go up depending on how long you want to use them. Next, we offer on-demand video content, 57 hours of all things NCLEX, including updates to the NCLEX test plan for that next generation NCLEX. These lectures are available to watch on demand on your own time, so you don't have to follow anybody else's schedule. And all of the PDF notes are included, so you can download, print, or save them, and follow along as you move through the lectures. Next, we offer on-demand video content, 57 hours of all things NCLEX, including updates to the NCLEX test plan for that next generation NCLEX. These lectures are available to watch on demand on your own time, so you don't have to follow anybody else's schedule. And all of the PDF notes are included, so you can download, print, or save them, and follow along as you move through the lectures. If you want to combine that Qbank and on-demand videos, you can do so much cheaper with one of our discounted combos. This starts at $89 for 60 days of that Qbank and 60 days of those on-demand videos. If you'd also like access to our live review, then the SurePass program is for you. This will include 90 days of that Qbank, 90 days of those on-demand videos, and sign you up for our next 2-day live NGN review. This 2-day live occurs from 8 to 6 Central Time on the first Thursday and Friday of every month. So if you can't join right away, we'll always have a convenient date coming up for you. That live 2-day is a lot of work, but gosh, it is so worth it as we prepare and review that really high yield content and do lots of practice to get you NGN ready. Our entire nursing staff is online and participating in this live review, so it's really, really fun. We get to interact with you and answer your questions in real time so that you get any of those last minute jitters out and get the answers to the questions that you need. So the SurePass program is $159, includes 90 days access to the Qbank and on-demand that we just went over, and additionally, that live review. Our most inclusive package combines everything we've just talked about into a structured 6-week bootcamp. That's intense prep. It takes the Qbank, the on-demand content, the live case studies, the live lectures, and puts it into a structured 6-week bootcamp that is monitored and instructed by one of our dedicated NCLEX tutors. They'll be assigned to you so that they give you feedback every week, monitor your progress, let you know what you're doing right and what you might need a little more help with. This is great for students who need some accountability, who don't quite know where to start, and are repeat test takers that could use some feedback and remediation. Intense Prep is $399 for our 6-week program. Again, it's going to include absolutely everything that you need. You don't need to also buy the Qbank or the videos. It comes with everything. We have cohorts starting every other Monday. And that brings me to our tutoring services. These are a la carte. Anyone at all can buy them, even if you don't have an Archer Review subscription. First, we offer small group tutoring. These are just $25 for a 1-hour session going over really challenging NCLEX topics in a small group setting. So cameras and mics on, you get to ask your instructor questions. It's going to be practice question heavy, so they're really drilling you on this content and helping you figure out how to get it right when it comes time for your NCLEX. Some examples of small group sessions include prioritization, a mock NCLEX, delegation, select all that apply, EKGs, ABGs. I could go on and on. Again, these sessions are $25, and you can sign up for as many as you want over those areas that you need help with. If private tutoring is more your speed, you can book a 1-hour session for $60 an hour. These will be totally one-on-one and completely individualized to whatever your specific needs are. In general, during your first session, your tutor will go over your background, previous testing experience, where you went to school, and help figure out what you need to work on with them in order to be successful on that next generation NCLEX. From there, they'll make you an individualized study plan, so you know exactly what to do day by day, and you've got accountability and monitoring from a dedicated NCLEX tutor. Again, these sessions start at $60 an hour, but you do get bigger and bigger discounts depending on the number of sessions that you book. We hope you'll find something that helps you along your NCLEX journey. Don't forget, future nurses, studying for the NCLEX isn't easy, but it's worth it. You'll be a great nurse, and we're here to help you at Archer Review.